This is my favorite season at the global city. Let me show you why. The giant Christmas tree is up at the global city. There's a new Christmas tree every year. It was lit up in a small ceremony surrounded by excited and joyful people. This is the joyful message of the season. Whatever you do, do everything to bring praise to God. I am grateful for this day and every day. Isn't it beautiful? I'm baking a special food today. I bought most of the ingredients at the grocery in the mall. When I was a trainer on international humanitarian law and conducting seminars and training programs for many people, we always considered the dietary preferences of our trainees for meal breaks. You are free to eat according to your conscience, but be considerate of everyone's feelings who aren't as free as you are. Let's bake some plant-based lasagna. There are 3 components that we need to cook: the ragu sauce, infused milk, and the bechamel sauce. First, let's prepare the ingredients for the ragu sauce. Chop all your veggies, onions, garlic, carrots, and bottom mushrooms, then set aside. These are the ingredients for the infused milk and bechamel sauce. Now we prepare the infused milk. Combine the milk, onion, bay leaf, ground nutmeg, salt, and whole peppercorns. Simmer the infused milk in low heat and stirring it constantly while we cook the ragu sauce. These are the ingredients for the ragu sauce. Cook all veggies in medium heat. Saute onions for a few minutes, then add garlic, carrots, mushrooms, and lentils with Italian seasoning. Mix everything well. passata, diced tomatoes, soy sauce, salt, and cayenne. Mix everything well. Cover a skid to let out the steam and turn off heat. When the ragu sauce is cooked, turn off heat also for the infused milk. Use a strainer for the infused milk mixture, then set aside. Now we cook the bechamel sauce. First, set your burner in low heat to melt the vegan butter, then add the flour. Use gluten-free flour if you can find it in your grocery store or market. Mix the infused milk a little at a time in the butter and flour mixture. When all the milk is combined, add the shredded vegan cheese if you have it. At this point, your kitchen will start smelling like a delicious bakery with that creamy and cheesy aroma. Cook your bechamel sauce until your cheese is melted, then turn off heat. Preheat your oven into 180°C for 15 minutes. The next step is to layer the lasagna in a big baking dish. You can make 3 layers starting with ragu sauce, followed by the bechamel sauce, then the lasagna sheets. Repeat this layer until the third one and making sure that the last layer is the bechamel sauce. Place the lasagna dish in the oven and bake for 45 minutes. Baking gives joy to both the baker and the one served with nutritious food. Baking this lasagna gives your house that Christmas Noche Buena scent, appetizingly delicious. This lasagna serves 8 people or is good for 10 servings. Seek not your own profit but the good of many, so that they may be saved. This plant-based lasagna is packed with vitamin C, fiber, iron, and protein. You can eat it to your heart's delight whilst nourishing your body. Enjoy! I'll see you in the next video.